All right, so for today's deep dive, we are jumping into the world of high-tech wellness gadgets.
The ones you see everywhere online.
Exactly. And our target today is the DreamWeaver Pro Sleep Mask. You've probably seen the ads. I mean, 50 million views.
Oh, yeah. And the claims are pretty bold, curing insomnia in under a week.
All for a cool $150.
It's the perfect subject because they're using, real scientific language. They talk about breakthrough technology.
Targeted acupressure and microvibrations.
And they claim it activates the parasympathetic nervous system through the vagus nerve. To top it all off, they cite an 89% success rate and a BBB A+ rating.
So our mission is to cut through that noise. Is this thing actually medical-grade science, or is it just really, really slick marketing that's borrowing scientific terms?
Well, let's start with the part that's actually true, the science they cite. It's real.
It is.
Yeah, acupressure for improving sleep quality has a lot of research behind it. We're talking over 30 randomized controlled trials.
Yep.
So that part is, legitimate.
Okay, and here's where it gets really interesting. We dug into the methodology of those studies. For the acupressure to actually work on those sleep points, the researchers needed to apply firm manual pressure.
And by firm, we mean?
We mean 3 to 5 kilograms of sustained force. For several minutes. That's a serious amount of pressure.
Exactly. So contrast that with this product. The critical question becomes, can a few basic vibrating motors in a sort of generic eye mask replicate that?
It seems unlikely.
Very. And related research on vibration therapy, even from much more advanced devices, showed it only modestly improved sleep duration by about 3%.
3%? So what's that, like 11 minutes a night?
About that. So we're talking minimal impact,
Yeah.
which brings us to the core problem.
Right.
Despite quoting all these sleep researchers, DreamWeaver Pro provides 0 clinical trials or objective sleep tracking for its own device. None.
Which naturally leads us to the red flags, the company's transparency or lack thereof.
Yeah, this is where it gets fascinating. They advertise that 89% success rate and the A+ from the Better Business Bureau.
Okay.
We looked up the company, nubly.co. It has exactly 1 review on Trustpilot, 1 star. The person claimed they were just ghosted when they asked for a refund.
That's not a great sign. But what about the BBB rating?
And get this, despite claiming an A+ rating right on their site, the company isn't even listed in the Better Business Bureau database. At all.
Wait, so it's just made up?
It appears so.
Wow. Okay, let's unpack the financial side of this then. The product itself is basically a generic mask.
A mass-produced one, yeah. We found virtually identical units on Amazon.
For how much?
Anywhere from $20 to $60.
So that $150 price tag is a 300% markup?
At least. The technology inside heating elements, little vibration motors, it's real, but it's implemented at the absolute cheapest level. It's totally inadequate for the science they're claiming to use.
So the final verdict for you listening is that the DreamWeaver Pro is a glorified $150 heated eye mask.
That's pretty much it. The science they mention is real, it's well documented, but their product doesn't actually apply it at the level required by the research. Not even close.
And I think this connects to a bigger picture, right? It raises this really important question about all these wellness gadgets.
Yeah.
How much of it is real, applied technology, and how much is just clever copy-pasting of scientific terms into an ad to make it sound credible?
There's a huge difference between citing science and, actually doing the science.
It really is. So here's a final thought for you to consider. Next time you see a viral ad that's citing real clinical studies, just ask yourself, is this product actually doing the hard work, or are they just banking on you not knowing the difference?